Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve capital gains with Chevron, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what capital gains are. Capital gains are profits earned from the sale of assets like stocks or real estate. Next, familiarize yourself with Chevron as an investment opportunity. Chevron is one of the largest oil companies in the world. Research their financial health and recent performance. Examine their earnings reports and look for consistent revenue growth. Investigate Chevron's dividends, as they can enhance returns. Consider the overall market conditions affecting the oil industry. Analyze global oil prices and their impact on Chevron's profitability. Look into Chevron's strategies for sustainability and energy transition. Understand the risks associated with investing in oil companies. Diversify your investments to mitigate risks. Consider investing in Chevron through a brokerage account. Set your investment goals clearly before buying shares. Monitor Chevron's stock performance regularly. Stay updated with industry news and financial reports related to Chevron. Evaluate your investment periodically to ensure it meets your goals. Be ready to adjust your strategy in response to market changes. Use tax-advantaged accounts when possible to minimize capital gains taxes. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice if needed. Develop a long-term investment strategy to maximize gains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.